On November 1st, 2020, my family and I went up to Weston Bend State Park. Paralleling the Missouri River, the BNSF St. Joseph sub cuts through the edge of the park, heading through Parkville, Missouri, Atchison, Kansas, and Lincoln, Nebraska. On the way there, I saw a Kansas Southern locomotive on the Emporia sub in a lash-up of a mixed freight train. Here's the bridge near Farley, Missouri. It's a nice big iron bridge. And there was also this track machine parked further down the line. Here at East Leavenworth, Missouri, we passed a southbound mixed freight train led by the following. I muted the video because my parents were talking. And I added some other freight train sounds so I wouldn't get copyrighted for music or you wouldn't have to hear nothing. There were about 100 cars in that train. Here's a picture of the overlook at the Weston Bend State Park. The Sherman Army Airfield at Fort Leavenworth can be seen in the distance. There's a trail that runs along the edge of the park next to the railway and the river. In this clip I caught another southbound train led by two GEVOs.
See it okay? Start now. Oh, only 3 cars?
After seeing the shortest freight train I ever caught on camera, I go further north along the trail. There are these series of old bridges, and it would have made a nice shot to see the train. Shortly after this bridge, there was a railroad crossing that you would cross over to access the river. The last time I was here, it was more winter, so the trees were all bare and it was easier to see the train from the river. This next train is another southbound train, led by two GEVOs facing forward.
Railroad bridge right about here. 9 cars.
And here are some more pictures of the railroad crossing. I tried to wait for another train to go by past the railroad crossing, but that never happened. And this video was filmed a few days prior to Virtual Railfan coming out with the Parkville, Missouri camera. Also something interesting, the track under this crossing has wooden ties, while the rest of the track has concrete ties. And in the city of Weston, Missouri, the original depot does survive alongside a Burlington Northern caboose. I did not visit it in this video, but I have visited previously. And that does it for this edition of Trains Around Kansas City.